Hi, my name is Krista, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a full chicken dinner using the Professional Series slow cooker. What you will need for this recipe is green beans, pre-cooked chicken, garlic, some rosemary, potatoes, salt, onion powder, and some pepper. Let's get started. First thing, we're going to put in some potatoes and our green beans. Oops, a little too much there. And you're going to mix it around. Great. Next, we'll add our chicken. And some garlic. And some rosemary, pepper, and onion powder, and your salt. Today we're also going to be using the Professional Series can opener. What I love about this can opener is that it's got some really great functions. Let me show you. In front, it's got a great bottle opener, and when you turn it around, it has a knife sharpener and a convenient place to store your cord when it's not in use. Now let's plug it in and open the can. There we go. Perfect. And add your tomato sauce. Oh, it looks so good. And take a spatula and just simply move everything around. Add some more rosemary. It smells so good already. Today we're going to make a dinner for a family of 4, but you can use the expander ring if you'd like to make it for more people, if you're entertaining, and it goes from a 4-quart to a 6-quart in no time. But today we'll use just that. And place our lid on. Now let me show you how to set your slow cooker. Simply plug it in, and you're going to choose function. And for this recipe, we're going to choose high and raise our time to 4 hours and 30 minutes. And what's really wonderful is that this slow cooker has smart cooking technology. Your food will never dry out. And press on, and you're set to go. Oh my, look how juicy that chicken looks thanks to the Smart Cook technology. Another great function of this slow cooker is the heat to serve. Let me show you. So as you can see, H2S, that's heat to serve, and this warms your food up to the perfect serving temperature. And now you have your finished chicken dinner using the Professional Series slow cooker. Enjoy!